Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So Ghibli style visuals are known for their soft colors, dreamy atmosphere and emotional storytelling. With OpenArt you can recreate this aesthetic and turn it into animated video scenes. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create Ghibli style videos using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, define the Ghibli inspired styles. So focus on the key element like soft lighting and pastel colors, nature rich environments, calm emotional tone. So for example you can use this prompt as an example, just as an example, like peaceful countryside, soft sunlight, hand painted anime style, warm colors. So you can take this into consideration. Generate K scene image, like OpenArt's image generator. Create a strong base image. For example, I'll show you a enhanced prompt. Okay, so for example, as you can see, we have here anime style, countryside, soft lighting, lush green ray, dreamy atmosphere, hand painted look, warm tones. So as you can see, the whole prompt, okay, generates the prompts multiple times. Okay, pick the best result that you liked. This defines your style. Then create more scenes, like generate forest, village, sky or clouds, interior scenes. Okay, keep same color palettes, lighting, style, because consistency means immersion. Okay, so animate scenes. Okay, so animate scenes into clips, like use OpenArt video generator prompts, for example this. Okay, a gentle wind, like slow camera pan, soft motion, peaceful atmosphere, anime style. Okay, keep clips from 3 to 6 seconds and calm motion is the key. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.